How to disable chat teams on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable it easy and quick. First open VK and then click hub, and after that click the three lines here and then just click settings, and on here all you need to do is click appearance, and here we'll find enable teams. Now disable it, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.